This warning has been issued by Blizzardia Weather Research. Please listen to this following message as it might save yours but also someone's life. The blizzard had passed the entire state. There are some minor damages to power lines, while some roads and highways are blocked with snow. You may leave your shelters after this broadcast is finished. However, we do warn drivers to be careful when driving as there's a chance that you might spin out. There has also been an alarming number of people that disappeared during the blizzard. As of now, there are 50 people that went missing during the blizzard, though the number could be higher. The Blizzardia State Police Department is working with local law enforcement to locate these missing individuals. We were also alerted about strange ice zombies lurking around the state. These were apparently first seen in the Metal County, with multiple video encounters that had appeared online. We cannot confirm if these videos are fabricated, however, even if they are real, this is not within our jurisdiction of power. If you have any evidence or you have seen one, call the Special Anomalies of Blizzardia as they'll be handling this incident. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.
Hello.